How to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is launch your Instagram application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now select on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen, which will lead us to settings and activity. So simply tap on Account Center as the very first option and then scroll down and tap on Personal Details. So here you can see the option of account ownership and control, so tap on it. Here you have two options, memorialization and deactivation or deletion. So since we want to deactivate our Instagram account, we just have a tap on deactivation and then tap on our profile and then select the option of deactivating account. So it means our profile will be hidden on Instagram until we reactivate it through Account Center or by logging in to the Instagram account. So tap on continue, and as a tap on continue, just enter your password to continue and then tap on continue, and you'll be able to just deactivate your Instagram account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.